All right, so it's roughly 11:20 on a Saturday morning, the 27th. It's been, I think, 7 months since the last video that I put out, which was the video of me and my boys on the bikes. So I wanted to kind of update you guys real quick now that my channel is picking back up again. I got a lot of things to do to the call out and maintenance that I have to do. So I want to update you guys on why I haven't been doing videos for the past 7 months. And nothing really has been going on with the BMW except for just maintenance and just driving it, and that's it. So I wanted to update you guys on the channel. It finally hit 1,000 subscribers, man. Thank you guys so much. That really, man, just puts a big smile on my face. That is a huge accomplishment for my channel, even though I really haven't been putting in too much work to the channel itself. It is nice to see that people are still watching the videos, people are still giving it likes, and the fact that it's still growing even without me putting in work, which is all my fault. It's nice to see that the channel has finally hit 1,000 subscribers. So the reason I haven't been making videos for the past 7 months, around August, a couple months after the quarantine finally ended, around August, my buddy Tim got me hooked on bikes. So mid-August or so, I actually took my first ride, bought my first bike. It was an old Trek. Bought the bike, road bike, started riding, enjoyed it. It was just like a weekend kind of thing. And then it slowly started picking up. And my personality is the type where when I get hooked on something, I have a very addictive personality. I go 100% all in. And all my buddies and my wife can tell you that. So for the past, I'm gonna say August until now, what's that? This many months, I've been strictly focusing on cycling, specifically road bikes. So I've been doing that, just kind of little stuff. I oil change in the car, had new tires put on right before winter hits, right before the big snowstorm that we had here in Memphis. I got new tires put in. So I switched from Continentals to Toyo Proxys now on my car, all around. Exact same specs, just Toyo Proxys, and they handled super well during the winter. I should have done a video, my bad. So, car did super good. The xDrive system on this car, when it comes to handling on the snow and the ice, I should have done a video. It was so good, no slippage. It handled so well. My respects to BMW's xDrive. Anyways, so haven't been doing videos, been focusing strictly on the bikes. I had an event last September at Arkansas. I did the Big Dam Bridge 100, which we only really did around 42, 43 miles, I believe, something like that, which was the longest ride up until a week ago. Really enjoyed that. Then I've been really focusing on training, getting my body back to and my legs to spec. And then about a week ago, I did my first metric century, which was a total of 63 miles, all in one go. That was super awesome. And then I've also been focusing on actually buying older bikes and getting them tuned up and ready for the road again, and then flipping them. So I've been doing that. I have a bunch of bikes here. My garage is turned from a BMW garage to a road bike garage. So I've been doing that, been having a lot of fun. And that's the reason why I haven't been really doing videos for the channel. But I have a bunch of maintenance coming up. The car's about to hit 100K here in the next 4,000 to 5,000 miles. So I have a list of things that I have to do to the car, which is spark plugs, coil pack, front rotors, brake pads all around. I want to try to also bleed the system if I can. I have the rear lower shock mount bushing, and then I also have the front tension arms or traction arms for the xDrive for the car, and then I also have the belt tensioner kit that I have to replace on there with the pulleys and everything. So again, a list of things to do to the car. I have videos that I'm going to be putting out for all those maintenance things that I'm going to be doing. And ¿qué pasó? No te lastimas. Oh my goodness, ¿crees que no estuvo así? ¿Te pongo una colita? No? You okay? Dile, I'm good. Okay, so I actually realized I never ended the video, so I'm gonna end it here. Thanks everyone for watching the channel, for subscribing, for helping me get to 1,000, and do be expecting all the videos coming out in the next few weeks for all the stuff that I said in the video that I'm going to be doing a maintenance tour on my car. So if you guys do have any questions, concerns, whatever, comment on the YouTube channel, or you can go to my Instagram. I'll put it here somewhere or down in the description box below, where you guys can message me personally, and that's it. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right.